Hey you guys, so I'm coming back. I was actually in the middle of working on something and decided to go ahead and do a quick how-to tutorial on the double treble stitch and the extended double treble stitch. So without further ado, this I just want to tell you is a sequence that I'm working with double treble crochet stitches, and then treble crochet stitches, and then double treble crochet stitches. So as you can see, I'm currently on a round of double treble crochet stitches. So double treble crochet stitches, you're going to wrap the yarn over 3 times. Let me do that again. 1, 2, 3. You're going to insert into your next stitch, yarn over, pull up 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you have a double treble crochet. Let me zoom in. So let's do that again. You're going to yarn over 3 times, 2 and 3. You're going to insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. You now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 times, yarn over, pull through 2 3 times, yarn over, pull through 2 4 times. So yarn over 3 times, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops 4 times. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now I'm going to show you the extended. Let me do a couple more. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. I just want you guys to see me working a couple so you can see it's a pretty fast stitch. And then this is the work you get. Now I'm going to show you how to do an extended double treble crochet stitch. Say that 3 times fast. Okay, so we're going to start off the same way. We're going to yarn over 3 times. We're going to insert our hook into the next stitch. We're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. This is where the difference is. You're going to yarn over and pull through the first loop on your hook. That's your extension. You're then going to yarn over and complete your double treble stitch. And just a quick FYI, this is the same regardless of stitch that you use. An extended stitch is basically that first, it's kind of like, this is why it was so easy for me to learn foundation stitches. So when you come through that first one, if you've seen my foundation row videos, then you know that that's the key, is to come through that first loop on your hook before you complete your stitch. So with extended stitches, it adds the tiniest bit of height. For me, I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. When I'm working with a longer stitch like this, if I remember to, I try to. So you can see the difference is that you have this extra bar. And in my opinion, it can work out better with such a tall stitch because it sort of locks it to the stitch a little bit better. So you see how these don't have that and then these do. So this is what the extended stitch adds to your work. And for some, like this is the bottom of some pants, so it's definitely something that you can use to kind of give it a little more, I don't know the word for it. It's definitely something worth having in your arsenal, like I try for all my tutorials to be for you guys.